Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this color to black and white effect for your videos only by using CapCut. So after you add your videos into CapCut like this, you just need to add 3 keyframes on your video, 2 at the start like this, and the other one is where you want the black and white effect to start, for example in here. And on the last keyframe that you add, you need to go to adjust and just lower the saturation of your videos to -50. And if you want to, you can also adjust the contrast like this and click on the check icon, and that's it. So your video will look like this. At the beginning it's a color video, but slowly it will turn black and white. So just like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.